Hi! In front of me is DOOGEE S100 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location of this DOOGEE. You need to begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now gray. That means that location is disabled, but you can always enable it by tapping on the same shortcut again. If you want to, you can also go into Settings, scroll down and click on the Location section. Then click on this switcher next to Use Location to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!